And welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Earlier in the show, we talked about the upcoming harvest. Well, now our Common Ground volunteer, Molly Aden, is back with a recipe to share.
For many producers, harvest is right around the corner, and maybe you're looking for something that you could take along with you in the combine or out in the field, something to snack on, maybe to tide you over. We have an idea for you. Joining me now with more on this is Molly Aden with Common Ground. And hey, Molly, what do you have for us?
Yes, I have some soft pumpkin chocolate chip bars. I'm kind of a sucker for pumpkin and chocolate, so this recipe is right up my alley. So first, I've taken 2 sticks of butter, and 1 cup and 3/4 of sugar that I creamed together until fluffy. And then I took my flour, my salt, my baking soda, and a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. And I'm just going to whisk that together before I mix it in, just to make sure that that baking soda is incorporated or evenly, and so you don't have any pockets of it when you go in to bite it. And then I have 1 can of pumpkin puree, and this isn't pumpkin filling, this is just straight pumpkin. And I'm going to add that into my butter and sugar. And then I have 1 egg that I'll add in. And then this recipe calls for 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla. And I know it sounds like a lot, but it's good. So I'll put 1.5 tablespoons of that in. So I went ahead and mixed that together. And now I'm going to add my flour with the pumpkin spice and baking soda and salt into my pumpkin mixture. And then I'm also going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now you could add more or less if you'd like. We prefer 1 cup. So I'll go ahead and mix that up. And then once you have it mixed up, I'm going to pop it into a 9 by 13 inch pan in a 350-degree oven for anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. You'll just want to stick a toothpick in and make sure it comes out clean. And after that, you can definitely eat it warm if you want, or I prefer mine in the morning with coffee, or even in the afternoon with coffee. So it's just a great pumpkin recipe that we enjoy all fall and definitely take for snack if we're going to ride in the truck, the grain cart, or the combine during harvest.
Thank you very much, Molly, for sharing that idea with us today.